Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch. There's no heating or hot water and it's not firing up. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. It's an on-the-job video and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, so what this boiler is doing is just flashing blue light at a fast rate. There's no fan, no ignition process, no heating or no hot water. So let's open it up and let's see what's going on. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is check the fan because the fan ain't going around. I'm going to check the voltage on it. If there's any power going to the fan, that means the fan is faulty. But if there's no power going to the fan, that means the circuit board is faulty. And guess what? There's power going to the fan. So my conclusion is the fan is faulty. Right guys, we're going to change the fan on this and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
The
mean,
gold poacher.
he was, but he was. I went to. I was lucky enough when I was younger. I went to the 86 World Cup in Mexico.
Yeah.
And then I went to the 91 in Italy. And to be honest, Lineker, no matter what they say, like a goal poacher.
Yeah.
But for England, he was probably the best in the world in his side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, great, good finisher, like what you need in your team. But yeah, I've been, to be fair, I've been all around Europe and the world watching England play when I was younger. You into the? Do you like the football then?
Me, yeah. No, come on, dude. My favorite. I remember the Gascoigne and Glenica.
Yeah, I've got a sign here. Paul Gascoigne.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, I met him at loads, but at the time he was absolutely fucking brilliant in
Yeah,
1992. That one's
Oh, that's the goal.
Gordon Banks.
Yeah, that's the goal save he done against
Yeah,
Pele.
against Pele.
Yeah.
And the other one over there is Jeff Hurst.
Oh, different.
Signed by Jeff Hurst, and that's when they just won the '66 World Cup.
Yeah. Change the boiler. Believe me. Oh, it's amazingly good boiler.
Guys, I'm just doing a repair on this Worcester-Bosch. The fan was going on it. And luckily I had one in my car and it's all sorted now. So boiler sorted. It's all working fine now. Now if your boiler's broken now, Birmingham, South Birmingham, give me a call. Birmingham, boiler, fix. Yeah, I just done a repair. Oh yeah, I just done a repair for this gentleman. I just want to give me a review.
Hi, my name's Tracy Oliver. It's the 26th of October 2023. Your man's just come in, repaired the boiler because it's been down for the last week or so. It's been freezing. He's come in and done a wonderful job for us. Done it within half hour. Great job. Thanks very much, kid.
Thank you, that was really nice. Thank you very much.